Hello guys, so welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to be talking about how to identify high selling products so that you can sell for yourself. So if this is the first time you're finding my video, welcome guys, because I discuss about different ways on how to make money online, like how to import from China and make money, whether like you say in Africa, in Amazon, in eBay, in anything guys, you can actually make money. So the first thing I want to talk about is find a high selling product. So there are a lot of ways you can do that. So there are a lot of ways you can find a high selling product. So to me, I use two things mainly. So first thing is social media, and second thing is Google Trend. So there's something we call Google Trend, whereby you just go to Google and search for Google Trend. So when you go to Google and search for Google Trend, guys, so you can click on entertainment or anything like that, guys. So it will bring you like things that are trendy in the entertainment world or in the fashion world or anything like that. So I use those things. Oh, three with Pinterest, guys. So I use Pinterest a lot. So this is how I do it, guys. I will first go to Pinterest. I will search for any product, guys. So like I'll search for any product that I know that I can buy, that I know that I can buy. Just put yourself in form of your customer. So you as an example now, you have been buying online unless if you don't buy online. So if you have been buying online, what are the things you do buy? So like me now, like if I want to buy things online, I order fashion goods, like anything fashion. It might be wristwatch, it might be chain, it might be face cap, it might be sunglass, it might be anything like that. I order fashion. So I also asked my brother like what are the things he ordered the most. Then he also told me like he said probably wristwatch. I was like, okay, no good. So that's what I did. And I go to Pinterest, I search for different wristwatch and everything, guys. So when I search for different wristwatch and all, so I just pick one. So when I pick that one, I go to Google, guys, and I search by image. So when I search by image, it brings me like different, what's it called, like different website they have set, like they do sell those things on Amazon, on eBay, on Jumia and other platforms like that, guys. So all those e-commerce platform. So when it brings me all those like list, then I check it one by one, guys. I check for the comment and everything. Then when I check for the comment, I see what people complain about. So for an example, some people complain about the case that the watch comes in. I was like, oh, I don't like this case and everything. It's like, okay, no problem. I put that down somewhere. So someone else also complained about different things. You understand? So I I was able to change what I can change, which is like the case. So instead of me like ordering the wristwatch with the case, I didn't order it with the what's it called with the case, guys. So if you don't know, now I sell like wrist chain, but I first started selling watch. So what I did is that after I didn't order it with the case, then I ordered another case, like a very beautiful case, guys. So that's it, guys. Yes, I ordered another one with case, like another case. So then I just put those wristwatch, I put them in the case. Then that's how I sell it, guys. So on my product, guys, I've been having good review. So that is one thing I did, guys. So that's how I do find like products and how I do my product research and everything. So another thing you can also use that is a very good tool is social media, like I said in the first place. So social media, like you might be scrolling on maybe TikTok or Instagram, guys. So like let me tell you how social media algorithm works. So on my social media accounts, if I just go like TikTok or Instagram and everything, it brings me everything fashion, like different clothes, different wristwatch, different chains and all. Why? Because that is what I watch. So Instagram or TikTok, guys, will feed me with what I watch because that is what I'm interested in. Because what happened is that people that I want to add on wristwatch on everything, it will be shown to me because I'm interested in it. So that is how all those social media people make money. So use that to your advantage. So if you search for wristwatch like chain, fashion and everything, then you will be feed, like social media will feed you with a lot of that information. So your own is that like keep looking and search for what is trending, like things that are trending that you see the most. Then after that, guys, just go online, like anywhere you want to sell. If you want to sell on Amazon, then search for similar product on Amazon. and check the comments, check the products, like check how many comments those things are having, guys. Then that is how to know all these products, guys. So after you check the comment and everything, if you have like, if those products has a lot of like negative review, then search for like, check those comments, check what people are like are complaining about. Then if it is something that you can change, then change it. Like I said, for me it is the case, guys, and I was able to change it, and now I was having good review. So but if it is something that you can't change, then maybe consider you not buying that product and look for another one, because there are tons of products you can use, guys. So don't limit yourself to just one product. So for an example now, let's just say like it is like, let's just say the person said, oh, the battery dies in times. Let's just say like the battery uses like a week before the battery stop working, like before this, like the wristwatch stop working, or let's just say like a month before the wristwatch stop working. You see, those type of things you can't change them. Then don't buy those type of products. Look for more products, guys, and that is how to scale up. So all these things, like, it is not a rocket science. What you just need to do is just follow the blueprints I have laid down to you, and then you'll see how it will transform your like business so fast, guys. Even right now, I actually don't sell those wristwatch anymore because it's cost me a lot of money to import them. Because for an example now, I buy like one for like around 15 to $20. So, and I need to import like minimum of like 200 or 100 pieces, even if it's not 100 pieces, like let's just say 50 to 100 pieces, because you see those 50 to 100 pieces, I need to sew them out. Like I'll sew them out in like probably a month or probably 2 months, guys. So for me to like buy again, it is not an easy task like that, because I need to have inventory, which means like I need to have a lot of goods on ground. But me, I don't have the like the money to buy all those kind of things like a lot. So what I did, I go for low priced products. So I sell wrist chain now. So this wrist chain costs way less. So this wrist chain costs like 50 cents. So I do import like a lot. Sometimes I import like 500 pieces. Sometimes I import like 1000 pieces. So before I even sold those out, guys, I will have rebuy. Like I will have buy again, I will have buy again. So that is why I stopped buying those wristwatch. But you can see, like, just use same method to search for another product, because that is exactly what I did before I find this wristwatch. So this wrist chain, sorry. So that's how it works, guys. So it is not a rocket science. Yes, you can import yourself. Like you literally don't need to pay anybody to learn importation or anything, guys. So that is how it works. So if you have any question at all, make sure you drop it in the comment section, guys. So thank you for watching and see you next time.